Imagine transforming your tiny apartment into a stylish boho retreat without breaking the bank. With a little creativity and some upcycled treasures, you can create a cozy, artistic space that feels uniquely you. Bohemian style is all about self-expression, the tones and a mix of old and new. Even in a small apartment, you can craft a space that's full of warmth, personality, and functionality. Why buy new when you can upcycle? A discarded ladder can become a stylish bookshelf, an old wooden crate can transform into a chic coffee table, and mismatched chairs can get a second life with bold boho fabric. Layering is key. Vintage rugs, embroidered throw pillows, and woven blankets bring warmth and depth to even the smallest corners. Indoor plants add life and freshness to your space. Hang them in macrame holders, place them on windowsills, or use repurposed pots for a unique touch. With creativity and upcycling, even the smallest space can feel vibrant and full of character. Embrace Boho-Chic and make your apartment a dreamy, personal haven. Transform your space, transform your vibe. Try these upcycled boho ideas and give your small apartment big personality.